Good afternoon, everybody. It is October 30th, and I ordered the premium mystery box and the deluxe mystery box on the exact same day, October 11th, before they all sold out. And the deluxe mystery box is already here, but guess what finally came today? The premium mystery box. So, I'm filming outside again because Steven is inside the studio working on some stuff. And he's being really loud. He's got the speakers on in there. So I'm outside. I like being outside. I mean, you know, the angle isn't really the best, but I drove, I think 119 miles out of town today for work. And I could not wait to get home because I got the informed delivery about this, that it was finally here. And I have a feeling that the camera is going to continue to auto white balance as long as this is in frame, so I'm going to take it out of frame so it doesn't continue to try and track this white. But I'm so happy that it's finally here. I'm grateful that it's finally here. I watched Nady's on the way home to see if maybe I'm in like the final round of these. So here we go. Alright, just out of frame. Tissue paper's coming out. I'm not looking at anything. And, aha! Yes. Yes. Aha! It is. It's the Mini Baker palette. So now I have two Mini Baker palettes, and thank goodness, because I am absolutely in love with it. I take back everything I said about the Mini Baker palette, because this thing is just amazing. I have been using it every day since I opened the deluxe box and could not be happier with it, to be honest. So in here we also have three products I'm feeling right now. Here is the first one. This is either a liquid lip or a lip bullet. It's a lip bullet. It's a lip ammunition from the summer 2019 Jawbreaker collection in the shade Glazed. Yes, I did watch Nady open this one. Unit carton is officially done for. But this one is really pretty. The last lip ammunition bullet that we got had the chartreuse tube and the bullet casing on top was silver. So this one is gold. Very cute. And the shade inside is also this beautiful gold with a chartreuse fleck. It's very pretty. My lips are awfully dry right now. Yeah, it is. It's exactly it. It's gold with a chartreuse goldy fleck. And it smells like candy. I like that shade. It goes really well with the other shades that we got in the deluxe box too. Uh-oh, am I sensing a trend here? Let's find out. Oh, unit carton. Okay. Item number 2, it is a velour liquid lip in the shade Family Jewels, which is absolutely hilarious because we all know what he was getting at. He ain't talking about jewelry with this shade, y'all. Alright. Let's take a look. Oh. I'm gonna put it right on top. That is a beautiful natural color. Have a look, y'all. Very pretty. Can I help you? Look who decided to join us this time. You want to help open the very last thing in the box? Hi, Minnie. Yeah, everybody say hi, Minnie. Minnie's very upset because she was at Grammy and Grampy's house for 2 whole days without us while we were out of town, and now she's home and I had to leave her again this morning. So now everybody's home, everything's okay. You're gonna start the meeting? Yes. Okay. You ready? What's this? What? Oh, Minnie doesn't like it. Oh, this is the limited edition. And again, this is another unit carton that I'm going to try to keep because it's a special edition unit carton. Thank you, Minnie. Mwah, you're so cute. Goodbye. Yeah. This shade is called Soul Sucker. It had very mixed reviews. Some people really liked it and some people didn't. I love dark shades. This looks like a blacky brown. Almost like a dark chocolate bar. At least that's what the sticker looks like. Let's see if it'll open without ripping the carton. Yes, I got it. I got it to open without tearing it, y'all. Okay, unit carton is safe. And it is. It's in fact, it's like a dark chocolate brown color. And it has this orangey, almost like a rose gold fleck. Just like the label here, the chrome label. So we've given that a good shake. And let's give it a swatch on the hand. Oh my, that's pretty. I like it. I like the formulation. Some people don't, but I adore a chunky glitter when it's done right. And this looks to me like it is done right. It's got a chunky glitter in all different sizes in there. And I'm going to try it on right on top of Family Jewels. Why not? This might be the strangest application you've ever seen anybody do, right on top of the other, but Alright, I changed the angle so that I'm closer. I wiped off all the other stuff as best I could so that I could give you a swatch on the lip. Look at that. That's pretty. You know, every once in a while, it is really nice to have a liquid lip that features the glitter and not so much the base. And that's exactly what I get out of this. That, to me, looks like a piece of candy on your mouth. The glitter really is extreme. Yeah, I do. I like it. This is something that I would want to apply and reapply. If this formulation is eye safe because of the glitter, I'm not sure, but if it is eye safe, even if it's not, my eyes are screwed up anyway. That might make a really gold eye color too. Alright everybody, that's Minnie. That's the premium mystery box. That's everything that came in the premium mystery box. And I'm Heather O'Day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Short and sweet and to the point. Tomorrow is Halloween and it is going to be a big night. Actually, a big day for us. She's not going to stop, so we'll let you go. Bye everybody. Have a great night. Happy Halloween.